Jangan kita test macam karaoke.
Okay.
Lagu apa kau ni?
Sekejap try. Kita try ni. Boleh tak?
Boleh. Not bad.
What?
You know this song?
Tahu. Takkan apa tu anak Salina yang nak perform. Kita pernah perform kan?
Yes.
So kau nak jadi apa? Kau nak jadi Dayang Nurfaiza apa?
Boleh je.
Ni kita testing lah.
Betul lah.
Testing.
Betul lah.
Nah, testing.
Testing. Kalau jadi, tak jadi tak?
Nanti aku upload je.
Hujan malam menambah resah,
Aduh.
Amboi.
hati sepi sejak kau tiada.
Oi.
Semakin hari semakin rindu. Biarpun badan terpisah jauh.
Bagai patah
Oi.
tak tumbuh lagi,
Oi.
Abang boleh nyanyi bro.
bagai hilang tidak berganti,
Suara lembut sikit lah. Ni perempuan apa?
bagaikan terbawa separuh diri
Macam gitu.
bersama pergimu yang tak kembali.
Pani touching.
Wah. Bukanlah
gurauan
Several hours later.
suci dan kudus, janji ilahi.
Okey, terima kasih. Kembali lagi pada episod 22. Tonggang terbalik 22.
Tompok tai unta. Oh, suara touching
Ini kalau kita
Nampak dia tantu lah.
kalau kita nak apa ni interview rapist, kita pakai suara ni.
Tapi pada aku yang lepak, macam mana boleh cerita pasal hantu saya dalam episod tu. Orang cakap pasal peng sampai peng hantu saya dia.
Tak, dia punya perks dekat Dubai tak ada hantu. Banyak hantu kat kelab malam.
Asyik nonsense lah kau
Orang
tu.
hantu.
Maafkan aku.
Okey, dalam episod 22 sekarang kita akan apa ni, tadi kita cakap pasal perks, and then after that we talk about roads, we got touch about cars. Now touch about roads, cars and cheap, how cheap is it? Now we're going to elaborate, go deeper into cars.
Exactly.
Okay, Syahan.
Yes.
Kau drive apa kereta?
Aku drive.
Baru nak tanya.
Aku drive kereta kuda.
Kaki 4 ke kaki 2?
Kaki 4. Kereta kuda kaki 4.
Explain lah, betul lah. Alamak.
Kaki kuda
Kata nak honest.
Honest lah. Okay, Alhamdulillah dekat Dubai ni aku dapat lah rasa nak drive Porsche Cayenne.
Kaya.
Alhamdulillah.
Orang have gini lah.
Itulah.
Ini have. Okay, memang have tu memang have lah kan. Tapi actually the perk is aku did a comparison lah between the cars here dengan cars in Singapore. So aku realise dekat sini everything is affordable, because knowing how expensive kita punya kereta is kan, dengan COE and all that. Kereta yang aku beli kat sini ni, dia punya harga is lower than the COE itself.
And COE sekarang
About 120.
188 kan.
Aku dah
I think about.
at the peak aku pernah dengar was 120 dan aku tak follow lagi lah.
Okay, kalau after 100k
Bila sampai ada 20 terus dia unfollow.
letaklah 100 je lah. Kalau 100 dah tukar jadi dirham berapa?
300 270 lah.
270 lah. 270 kita boleh dapat apa kind of kereta kat sini?
Kalau kau tengok kalau kau nak brand new ke kau nak second. Kalau kau nak second, kau don't mind the years and the mileage, kau can even get a Ferrari.
No, for 270 dirham.
You can even get a Ferrari.
You can get a G-Wagon.
You can get a G-Wagon.
G-Wagon.
About which year?
Maybe 2013. But all G-Wagons, most of them are very low mileage.
Pasal Arab pakai kan.
Orang Arab pakai.
Aku cakap dengan kau
Dia pakai nak pergi pasar je.
Pergi inilah apa? Pergi pasar tu.
macam kereta aku
Nak pergi Merjek tak sampai 200 meter dah sampai.
Pergi waterfront,
macam kereta aku beli kat sini that time was about I would say about 80,000 Sing dollars lah, and it's a 3-year-old car. The same car kalau aku nak beli kat Singapore, exactly same year and all that, same model, would cost me only about 350,000 so almost 4 times lah.
And kereta ni tak ada 10 year punya
tak ada.
apa ni limitation
lifespan tak ada. Lifetime tak ada. So
sini tak ada COE semua. Kau beli whatever you pay for the car, it's yours.
Betul.
There's no additional thing, it's yours.
Betul.
Okay, but you buy the Porsche is because you want to have a feel, you are really into cars, and then now it's the opportunity for you to try it, or you use it for work because you take people and you need to be of a certain stature when you know it.
Tak, aku just bought it because I wanted to try it. Aku macam, because aku enjoy cars, aku enjoy driving fast cars, and aku enjoy driving fast. Tu pasal dekat Dubai ni, aku first 2 years ni aku dah tinggal sini, aku pay saman dah way over than aku pay 20 years of driving in Singapore.
Serius lah. Tapi sini punya sama rabak rabak dia punya penalty dia.
Itu kita give back to the community lah, to the country lah, kita give back.
Actually kan dekat sini kalau kau kena saman, you have an option to where you want to put the money at. You go back to the location.
Really?
Dia bila kau nak bayar tu, nanti dekat polis ni app nanti tanya kau nak bayar kau nak kasih siapa.
Oh really?
Kalau
aku tak pernah nampak pula.
How do you pay?
Aku selalu bayar pakai Police app lah, Dubai Police app lah.
Dia have
the
option
RTA punya app lah.
Kalau parking is RTA
parking.
lah. Tapi kalau macam apa dia polisnya, then you have to use the police app.
Unless kalau kau punya macam kena compound tu semua tak boleh lah.
Itu kalau compound bukan derma lagi tu.
Betul.
Aku pernah kena compound.
Kau kena compound?
Dulu aku punya kereta lama lah.
Apa
punya
offense?
Mercedes. Bawa laju.
Mercedes.
Tapi Mercedes GL500 yang SUV.
Dia punya berbual Mercedes GL500 SUV.
It is a good car, you know that.
It's a family car lah. It's a family car. Tapi tu aku desut lah.
Kau tahu berapa mahal tu kereta kat Singapore tak?
Aku tahu.
GL500 tu. Yelah, so I mean cars are cheap here.
Ya. Cars are cheap here.
Talking to aku yang satu kereta je. Tapi member kita ni sampai 3-4 kereta.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Tanya ada lagi satu additional to your fleet.
Alhamdulillah. Ni apa? How many seater?
Apa
Your car?
My current car. My current car, which car?
Which car tau.
Kalau Mini Cooper is 4-seater lah, 2-door. Tapi kalau yang family car yang aku selalu drive is the Infinity QX 80 lah. Yang besar macam petrol tu lah.
Then your car how many seater?
Mine is 5 seater.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, mine is 13 seater.
Alhamdulillah.
But the problem is I always drive alone. I drive alone.
Tak ada hantu.
Aku rasa ada. Kereta dah ada hantu. Sunyi kereta dekat belakang. Itulah aku suruh kahwin, siang-siang tak nak kahwin, suruh buat anak, tak nak buat anak.
Habis nak kahwin ni, kau suruh. Kau tak pressure? Kau tak pressure?
Tak bro.
Nanti next month kita ada jemputan.
Next one? So?
Tak boleh lah, jangan bilang lah. Dia rahsia kan. Rahsia pohon cemara.
Macam mana ni? How can I be part of PTTU and I don't know who are interviewing next one?
Baru kau tahu perasaan aku kan.
Okay. No lah, but then the car that I drive, what's that called? For work. So Alhamdulillah sekarang kita ada 3. Not me. It's my company. So we have
your company is you lah kan.
So we have a Previa yang 7-seater tu. Then we have a Hyundai H1. That one is a 9-seater, 9 to 10-seater. And then we have the newest one is the Toyota Hiace. Yeah. Sebab kita nak kena, yelah, kita kena fikir pakai costing ni semua kan, minyak, consumption.
Bro, Toyota Hiace tu kau beli berapa? Tu quite new kan?
Yeah. It's second hand, but then it's this year's model.
This year model lah berapa?
Yeah. Okay. How much do you think I bought it for? If you're looking at the car, okay lah, you know how much the range is.
It's a people mover lah. Berapa seater?
12, sorry.
High is maybe 180.
180. Right.
120.
His is closest.
Aku orang kereta bro. Come on lah.
Aku kan bukan motorhead. Aku dah cakap
138.
Alah lebih sikit lah.
Tapi 138 tu duit kita probably around 40, right?
40,000 tau.
Yeah.
Hiace. 40,000. Almost less than a year old. Kau imagine.
Kalau kat Singapore, kau tahu dunia
Kat
Hiace.
sini aku rasa kat Singapore aku rasa Hiace can be easily about, kalau COE dah 100 plus, so easily nak dekat 200 lah. Easily lah kan.
But then the thing is, kalau kat sini, I mean, those who just arrive, don't go straight into intercontinental ni kereta. The best is still, you use a Japanese car first,
yes.
have a feel of the road, this kind of thing. Then you want to sewa dulu. But sewa here is quite cheap.
Sewa be careful juga.
Yeah.
Sewa dia banyak dia punya underlying or unwritten rules. So kadang-kadang bila kau nak hantar kereta balik, kau pay deposit susah dapat. Sini deposit susah dapat balik lah. There's always ways and apa tu just to have reasons.
Are you referring to apa ni fast cars?
Not really fast cars.
Yeah, normal cars.
Normal cars. Tapi mostly bila aku check fast cars.
Fast cars kan.
Itulah.
Oh, talking about fast cars. Okay. So one of my guests dia nak naik Lamborghini, but he can't drive because they don't have international license. So I drove it. Okay, so nanti sampai satu tempat tu dia ambil gambar kan. So the thing is, when they give you the car, you have a lot of things to sign and then see what the marks are. The best is actually to take a record. Bila orang yang hantar
video
tu hantar lain, if they miss out one scratch, my god, it's expensive. 200-300. If kau kena scratch dekat dia punya rim ke bengkok yang kau tak record kan, this can be 5,000.
Correct. Tapi nak to rent that fast cars, it's not expensive.
It's not expensive.
Aku rasa macam Lamborghini that time berapa satu hari? About less than 1,000?
No. Tengok which year lah, whether ada open hood ke apa kan. On average a good one will be 2 to 3. 2 to 3, 5 gitulah. Tapi okay lah, alhamdulillah.
Tapi okay lah. Kat sini pun kalau kau ada say not even a fast car and tapi the enjoyment of driving kat sini and especially on the punya highway kan, kau boleh bawa 140 sedap, best, very very nice.
Kau kat sini dah 5-6 tahun, berapa banyak kereta kau dah beli?
Aku punya first punya Ferrari, second punya
Are you serious?
Tak, ni semua yang mainan ni.
Salah, dia cakap Ferrari family ada 4 orang, anak dia duduk kat mana?
Tomica tu, yang kecil-kecil.
Yang kecil-kecil.
Adalah
Hot Wheels lah.
first just a Cherokee, lepas tu aku tukar GL500 pasal aku dah ada from 3 to 4 personnel kat rumah, ada baby kan. Then after that aku tukar to this aku beli another car, ada Wrangler at the same time. Lepas tu Wrangler aku jual.
Kau dah puas lah try semua American car semua.
I think Wrangler not really comfortable to drive on lah.
But is that GCC spec? GCC spec is Gulf spec.
GCC spec. GCC spec.
Tapi kalau repair mahal. I mean maintenance ni semua.
Aku never get the chance to do any maintenance on that car.
Dia pakai sekejap je, tak sampai 6 bulan tu.
All these luxury cars if not so popular, but then you want to do it, kadang-kadang the parts will take time, this kind of thing. So like for me, the vehicles I have, the lead time to get spare parts, I can only afford 1 or 2 days.
Correct.
So that's why it has always been Japanese.
So eventually aku tukar aku punya family car is that Infinity lah, 7-seater
Solid lah.
QX, no problem at all.
So far lah.
So far no problem. Ada problem which is the just when they tukar apa ni, the cap for the radiator, it needs to be changed anyway kan. And then for Farah, aku jual aku punya yang Wrangler tu. Pasal kita pindah rumah and then we have to do the school run. Farah tak nak bawa kereta besar. Even for Wrangler pun dia cup besar. So aku have to change to a mini lah.
Tak lah, Farah bukan dia tak nak drive tu.
Apa?
Dia nak kau drivekan dia.
Sudahlah.
Kau ni tak faham.
Farah.
Okay. Tapi aku punya mini, korang fikir berapa aku bayar?
Kau punya Mini berapa tahun?
It was a 2014 model.
2014 model.
And it's a 100,000 kilometer and American specs.
25,000.
Almost.
Yeah.
28.
Or 28. Because okay, for all these cars, walaupun ada nama, dia punya resale value dia tak ada.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau 28,000 kau tukar duit Singapore baru berapa je?
But that will give you problem?
No.
No.
Tapi that's
So
why
far, so
it's good for us, Rul.
Yeah.
Because this is a market where the rich will buy first hand. They will not buy second hand, right? And then kalau the mass,
Azan.
Oh, tengah azan ya. Allah.
Oh, it's from the phone lah. Aku fikir kat luar kadang-kadang tak dengar.
Oh, aku punya phone. So apa tu? It's good for us because
Yeah.
orang will buy first hand and they will not buy second hand. Habis the masses pula,
Yeah.
the middle lower income, orang will not be able to afford this range of cars. So the
First
resale value or even of the second hand cars will drop because it's either they export out, which they will lose more, or they sell to people like us who is willing, but you can bargain for better price lah.
And usually when they buy first hand, it can be then very next day they will want to sell it off. Maybe they don't like it, right?
For this very reason also, kalau you all nak beli Prabot ke new television instead of buy Singapore, here is also just it's cheaper.
Boat.
No.
Perabot. Kepala otak kau.
Aku dengan boat
Okay, so kau jadi, cause kat sini semua
Apa
orang
salahnya?
expat, so a lot of people
Yeah,
they
yeah.
encourage people to buy new one than get a second hand one,
Correct.
which is probably only 1 year or 2 years.
Correct.
Yeah.
There's a macam Facebook group kan. Distress sales
Oh.
UAE.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ada pre-love.
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 Kalau korang ada, you go online, go Facebook and join these groups, you realize those furnitures they're selling
Yeah.
are branded Otriban, West Elm.
Yeah. And some of the sellers they have to leave Dubai and then they want to get rid of their furniture.
Because they don't want to pay more for logistics.
Betul.
Yes.
Apa tu, kita bukan nak cakap kita happy for people like macam Wan that time kan, dia pasal terpaksa nak leave Dubai, he had to sell everything cheap, but we should look out for such events lah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
because one man's misery is another man's gain apa.
Yeah. It's true.
So yalah, so kereta is really good lah. Sini kereta kirakan you are spot for choices. Tapi we also have to be cautious lah, because sini pun banyak so-called penipu jugalah. When you go to Al-Awir and all that, you have to be careful who you deal with, how you deal
I think
with.
even kalau nak letak aku dulu macam kat Singapore nak beli kereta pergi to Kamat, I'm also a little bit more wary of second hand dealers, you know. But down here it takes to a different level. Orang punya second hand dealers ni macam lagi you have to be more attentive and be more aware lah.
Correct.
I'm not saying that everybody is like that, but it's just the feeling that I get kalau aku pergi sana.
My mode of operandi when I want to get a car,
Yeah.
I will not do it by myself. I'll just say what I want and I have someone to check for me. So there's this mechanic yang aku pakai dari dulu. Dia mechanic aku dekat Sarja tau. Dia punya mechanic macam biasa-biasa, but I'm sure insyaAllah dia ada knowledge lah. So all my cars that I have, aku nak beli, aku bawa dia. But the thing is you don't be the front person to actually buy a car.
So kau bayar dia jugalah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he will be my front face.
Okay.
Kalau dia tahu kau orang kat Singaporean ke apa kan,
They will try to
I don't say lah, but then you understand. So I bought
lah,
the mechanic. He will check the car first. I say okay, bro, I want to buy this car, so help me check. So he check, because he knows that if a lot of things that's wrong, he has to
Yeah.
he has to
He have
repair it.
handle,
Yeah. Kalau dia banyak barang nak repair, then why should I bring you? Yeah,
Correct,
you know.
correct.
So he'll check, then after dia tolong aku negotiate, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dia dengan dia berbual. I don't have to be in the picture.
Dia lain lah.
Okay.
Dia arbab bro. Arbab
Tak
lain.
adalah. So
Arbab.
satu kali
Arbab tu apa?
Arbab tu kebab.
Arbab tu bos.
Boss.
Okay, jadi satu kali nak beli kereta yang Previa tu dekat Abu Dhabi tau.
Aha.
Okay, so I brought my mechanic daripada Saja all the way to
Jauh.
yeah. So I went there, and then after that, the guy who sell it is an Indian guy. My mechanic is Pakistani. So eventually, so they can speak their common language.
Okay, yeah.
So diorang berbual je, and I don't know what they talk about.
Okay.
Then after that mechanic told me, let's go. Go. Just go. Naik kereta, kita keluar dari tempat orang tu punya rumah, kita pergi park dekat belakang tong sampah tau. And then now we wait. Betul lah, less than 5 minutes that guy call back. And then after that ask me to now you can U-turn. Then the last negotiate. The cost of the car was 38. I bought it for 32.
Tu kata okay lah.
Yeah, then I mean kau kasih lah dia 2,000 kan. Yeah, you should save what.
Yalah, correct.
At least you know they know
Yeah.
the car that we want is there.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's a good thing kau bawa kau punya mechanic.
I will
Because kalau
always-
macam aku dan kalau aku pergi dengan Farah, we know nuts. Kalau macam aku bilang korang, aku know nothing about. I'm not motorhead cars. I mean, be buying a car with parts that's not part of the car, you know. And it has happened down here a lot of times, you know.
Kau beli kereta Mercedes dengan bumper BMW lah.
Something like that lah, you know. But I've heard stories lah.
Kunci Maserati.
Kau jual.
But I've heard stories lah, you know. Chassis lain, engine dia lain
Yeah,
kan, you know.
Okay, so pasal diorang cakap kalau kau nak beli kat sini, beli GCC spec. Because
Yeah,
kalau kau beli American spec, kau tak tahu the history.
Yeah.
Sometimes what happens
Correct.
is the car has gone through total loss.
Yes. And then they export, import.
Diorang import
Yeah.
to here. So apa tu, we do have friends who drive a American car that comes to problems.
However, and I have a local colleague, and he has nothing but American cars, though. Because why? Because it's cheap. He come, no, I've got no problem with American cars. Just buy.
It's your luck lah.
It's your luck. Yeah.
Tapi kalau sini, kalau aku rasa kalau aku nak beli two-door car, aku nak beli Mustang.
Oh,
Mustang is nice.
Garang lah, tu garang.
so itulah kita punya choice for cars kat sini is really abundant. And then now kita ada Tesla and Polestar, all the
Electric cars lah
coming in.
Tesla kat sini murah tu.
Murah compared ke aku tak tahu Singapore punya market macam mana.
Aku punya sekelik baru beli satu yang model Y punya. Brand new dia beli berapa 100.
100.
Oh tak, 220.
Ya, 200
Tapi
plus.
Tesla nya interior okey je aku tengok.
Dia more itu aku rasa lifestyle lah.
Yeah. Because the thing is, kalau Tesla dia provide banyak a lot of convenience. I mean, it's not so fun for people who like cars, because you can't really drive it.
Correct.
Kan.
Yeah.
Tapi sekarang the Chinese cars pun dah coming up crazy man. Diorang punya interior amazing man.
Lawa tu dah macam Continental punya standard.
Ada
No,
lagi up
actually they have that.
Most of them are actually like sister punya company from macam BM kan. So,
Okay.
No, not sister. Diorang not sisters company, but
okay.
they
Expert
they have apa tu people that used to work for in this company that is bought over here. Then they bring their expertise over.
Right.
Okay, talking about the designs kan. Okay, let's say 12 years ago. Okay, I visited my brother in Korea. I went mana was it in Busan or something like that. Okay, then
Train to Busan lah.
yes. So I went there. Okay, then after that, dulu 12 years ago Kia punya model kat Singapore ni semua tak padu. Kau sampai sana macam BMW sah.
Diorang
The design is damn nice.
Diorang punya KDM Korean domestic model lah.
Yes, correct. Pandai ya KDM dah macam TTTI
Yes.
Oh, TTTU sorry. TTTU.
Okay lah, next.
And then not only that, bila kita cakap pasal kereta, kita pun kena bayar minyak kat sini pun murah, and we've covered that during
Tapi sekarang dah mahal lah.
punya Rizwan. Tapi mahal pun still kau rasa
Compare to Singapore, of course.
That's the most important.
Aku tadi balik Singapore, aku isi aku pay kereta full tank 150 duk. Aku pay terperanjat.
Kau bawa kereta apa kat Singapore?
Aku bawa yang apa tu, Skoda Kodiaq yang yang the 7 seater tu. So aku sebelum ni aku isi 95 less than 100 lah. Maybe paling usap-usap pun 110 lah.
Itu berapa liter? For the
About
Skoda
40 plus lah.
Habis kau punya Cayenne
Kayaknya
berapa
aku
liter?
buat 60 plus lah.
kau bayar full tank
Full tank aku bayar about maybe 100
dirham,
sing.
100 sing.
Tak banyak sangat
Banyak
tak,
tu.
200 plus. Kalau 200, let's say 250
Dirham lah.
about 250 dirham is about 100.
About 90 lah.
90 lah.
90
90 lah.
dollars lah Singapore. So
Yes.
kau tengok lah dunia perbezaan dia.
Yes,
Dunia
correct,
ni.
correct.
95 lah.
Dengan sini satu dia punya owning a car, banyak orang beli cash. People jarang
The
ambil kredit.
smart way. That's the smart
Because
way.
kalau
Pasal kau nak jual balik.
nak jual balik senang.
Yes, senang.
Yeah, so
Dari tempat ni kalau nak merasa kereta
nak merasa kereta di sini memang best lah nak rasa.
It's one of the places to be lah in the world.
It's not only about fast sports car, it's also about desert car. Kan
Yeah.
kalau you like to go for apa tu bashing and all that, banyak kereta kat sini. Macam kereta kau pun kereta bashing tak?
Boleh dikatakan can go off-road pasal ada that 4x4 nya capability. Aku boleh switch to 4x4.
Okay, sorry. To our listeners, kalau diorang cakap bashing tu is like entering the desert and do the dune bashing. You can drift it inside. So you need a 4-wheel to actually do this. Not all cars can do it.
4x4 lah.
Yeah, 4x4.
When you have control of all the 4 wheels.
Dengan tu ada special technique of driving tau.
Yeah,
You
correct.
cannot just
Ni
drive
bukan sembarang tau. Kau salah je kereta kau, terbalik, that's it.
And
Total loss.
sekiranya kau ada lah say for example off-road vehicle, but if you don't know how to drive it, and
Yes.
it's a useless vehicle.
Correct.
So when aku punya that Wrangler previously, so I learned a little bit here and there on how to drive it properly, so at least even if you don't have that kind of car, you have that skills already, the basic skills, so that even a normal car actually you can go in to the desert.
Actually driving kat desert ni senang, boleh kena stuck tau kalau kau tak pandai drive.
Especially padang pasir punya pasir, it's a different kind of pasir daripada laut punya pasir.
Yes, correct.
Dia macam tepung.
Betul.
Yeah. That's why kalau macam desert safari, I always would like to what's it called? Remind to all my guests to wear macam Crocs, Birkenstock punya yang rubber slipper, sandal.
Jangan pakai sepatu lah.
Jangan pakai sepatu
itu
lah.
sudah.
Kenapa?
Kasut yang cantik yang hitam balik jadi kelabu.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
Yeah. Okay, that's all for our episode for this one.
Wah, satu episod je.
Yes.
Kita berbual pasal kereta.
Kereta je dah habis.
Yes.
Dah.
This
Cepatnya?
Ya,
Cepatnya.
Alhamdulillah.
Nak boleh satu?
Boleh.
Nak. Dah maghrib nak solat.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay guys, insyaAllah. Okay, we'll meet everyone on the next episode. Alright. On TTTU.
Aku Azmi.
Aku Hairul Anwar.
Aku Syirhan.
Terima kasih menonton.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.